अरे यहाँ एसी नहीं चल रहा क्या?
एसी चला दो यार, बहुत गर्म हो रहा है। इशिता, ये पिक्चर आपके पास कैसे आई, या आप इस पिक्चर के पास चल के गए? व्हाट वाज द सीन लाइक?
With me, I don't know why I'm always the last person to enter a film. Whatever work I've done till date.
देर है, दुरुस्त है।
Sorry for the other person who gets replaced. I'm really sorry. They feel really bad, but same thing happened with this film. I think 2 days before the shoot,
like that.
yeah, they called me and they said, you know, ऐसा है Husna, the character that I'm playing, and would you come and meet us? And you know, and it just worked out. In 2 days, I was shooting and doing a lot of action. So that was the highlight for me because I have always played roles which are very simple and you know, simple सी लड़की है, हाथ नहीं उठाती. But here I got to like
मार धाड़।
awesome in the film.
लेकिन
ऐसी
आप
फिल्म है एक्चुअली
अच्छा।
जिसमें आप फिल्मों में देखते हैं कि लड़का लड़की को चेस कर रहा है, लड़की लड़के को चेस कर रही है।
पहली बार
लेकिन इशिता, यू हैव गिवन द क्वेश्चन टू द मीडिया, किसको रिप्लेस किया आपने?
don't answer.
blank हो गई मैं तो.
All there are 3 Karans on stage, Karanveer and Karan. Karanveer, आप कैसे बने इस मूवी का हिस्सा, अगर आप बताएंगे तो?
सनी सर को करण नाम बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
अच्छा, यस सर।
Honestly, I'm here because of first of all, पहला कॉल जो मुझे आया था, मुझे टोनी डिसूजा का आया था। So टोनी का जब भी मुझे फोन आता है ऐसे ही आता है, कल क्या कर रहा है, ऑफिस आ जा। ऐसा, अरे मैं शूट पे हूँ। बोले नहीं आ जा, अच्छा रोल है तेरे लिए। So this is the second time around I'm working with Tony and Behzad. Azhar की थी हम लोगों ने पहले, so it was a wonderful experience and they thought and it's my privilege, उनको लगा कि मैं इस किरदार के लिए सबसे अच्छा काम करूँगा।
Wonderful. अगर उन्होंने बोल दिया तो let's invite on stage the director of this movie, Behzad. The writer of this movie, Pranav. Pranav, are you here? Producers of this movie, Saurabh Prabhakar, Vice President and Head of Carnival Motion Pictures, Nishant Pitti and Vishal Rana. Can we have all on stage? And I think mic, अच्छा, we can just keep passing on the mic.
We'll share.
ओके बेजाद सर, आपसे पहले सवाल पूछेंगे। बेजाद हमारी जो बॉस है ऑफिस की, रेडियो सिटी की, उनके बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, तो अपना तो व्यवहार पहले से ही बन गया है। लेकिन ये 2-2.5 साल से प्रेपरेशन चल रही है, कैसा रहा था प्रोसेस, इफ यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट?
प्रोसेस तो काफ़ी अच्छा था, बट इनिशियली जब मैं, प्रणव और करण, हम तीनों एडीज थे बॉस पिक्चर पे, तो तब से ही सोच रहे थे कि कुछ करेंगे, लेट्स मेक अ फिल्म टुगेदर।
Short film.
Yeah, we started with a short film, but अभी तो full length बन गई. But things started to get moving after we met Sunny sir. But when we were writing the role, Pranav and I had a thought in mind that the character of this ATS chief should be somebody like Sunny sir. Somebody like Sunny sir. That's how we were writing it. Until Tony sir turned around and said, "Why somebody like Sunny sir? Let's go meet Sunny Deol." मेरी तो फट गई to start with. Because I had a completely different impression of the man.
I also had the impression when I met him first time, but he's very sweet and very genuine और बहुत comfortable कराते हैं।
Yeah, so in my first meeting only he says, देख बेटा, जैसा मैं स्क्रीन पे हूँ वैसा हूँ नहीं, तू बिना टेंशन नरेट कर, मैंने स्टोरी ऑलरेडी सुन लिया, मैं कर रहा हूँ तेरी पिक्चर। So that's when it worked out.
So sweet sir, सनी सर सबसे अच्छे, मतलब ऐसा है नहीं, और मेरा तो नाम करण है तो मेरे से तो ज़्यादा अच्छे से है। लेकिन टू द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द मूवी, सौरभ प्रभाकर, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड हेड ऑफ कार्निवल मोशन पिक्चर्स, सर आप जब पिक्चर में पैसे डालते हैं क्या सोच होती है? बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन होता है? बिकॉज नाउ 1-1.5 साल से द सीन हैज चेंज्ड, कंटेंट ड्रिवन मूवी हैज बीन डूइंग वेरी वेल, तो आपके दिमाग में क्या था व्हेन यू स्टेप्ड इन दिस मूवी?
यार हमारा प्रोसेस बहुत सिंपल था। व्हेन Behzad came and Vishal and Tony came to us with the story, we were sold actually after the first narration, so I knew that the film has a lot of potential and it will do well, so that's the only reason we chose this film.
Asha, there's one question I want to ask everybody on the stage, one, and then we open the interaction with media. आपके लाइफ में, because the movie is called Blank, एक ऐसा टाइम आया होगा where you were completely blank, like इशिता भी हो गई थी जब मैंने सवाल पूछा who did she replace, but ऐसा कोई moment था आपकी जिंदगी में where you were blank? Behzad, you want to start?
TYBCom economics paper.
Told my answer.
I just passed in that.
अच्छा, आप दोनों ने सेम ईयर में दिया था क्या फिर?
10 standard maths.
We are 10 years apart.
Oh, so he has 10 standard maths. सनी सर, आप कभी blank हुए अपने लाइफ में?
Not really.
नहीं?
Unless somebody asks me something stupid, then I'm blank.
All right, this is for the media right now. So, आप करणवीर?
जब जब भी बेहजाद के साथ शूट करता हूँ तो मेरा पहला शॉट ब्लैंक ही होता है because his strict beef was कि I don't want acting, I want just blank.
Oh, sir, आप.
So as producer, if they call on the sets, then I go blank.
पहली line.
Pranav, sir.
Right now,
You should talk about it's a movie right now.
Come on.
about my blank moment or
Blank moment or just like how do you feel right now?
how I feel right now, it's a very surreal experience. Trust me, I don't think we actually expected to be standing here. It came as quite a surprise. Our idea of making a film has always been that we want to make something that we love to watch, and I think that is what should be on everyone's mind first and foremost. You want to make something that everyone would like to watch, not just something that is very personal to yourself. And it's been an incredibly uphill task trying to figure that out. And during that also we've had many blank moments. Brainstorming sessions के time पे 5 मिनट के लिए दिमाग चलता है और फिर आधे घंटे तक blank होता है. वो भी होता है बहुत बार.
So do you guys take breaks? क्या लेते हो? 2.5 साल की break. All right. We'll have a group picture and then फिर question answer with the media. I'll take the mic. All right, thank you so much. With this, I would request Sunny sir, Karan, Veer, Ishita, and Behzad to be on stage for media interaction. All right. Sir. Please, जैसे एक चीज सब लोग बोलते हैं at the trailer launch, questions only related to movie. हाँ, चेयर
का कुछ हो रहा है? AC
AC लगा दो यार जल्दी वरना खत्म हो जाएगा तब तक. ठीक है, however you comfortable.
Hi Karan, this is Urvi to your left, this side.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
You have to specify which Karan. There are 3 Karans on
The
stage.
3 Karans here.
I meant Karan Kapadia. Karan, how was it debuting with Sunny sir? And were you nervous when you started working with him on first day of your shoot or something of that sort?
I was nervous before the first day regardless, not just because he was there, of course that adds to it. But no, the debut, the whole experience and everything was amazing. Like he said, there was a long build up to it. So I was also impatient to get started. But yeah, 1-2 days into it, it was all good. Once you get into the motion of things, it's fine. So.
I also have a question for you, Sunny sir. You have worked with a lot of newcomers. What was different with Karan this time when you worked?
Well, Karan, definitely nowadays the newcomers, they are so well prepared about what they want to do and why they want to do it. And I think Karan was very definite about this project. He had already gone through it with Behzad, I think, so earlier on.
Me and Behzad and Pranav were attached to it for a while.
So that's why I think, and which is very nice because then you own the character, then you own the subject, and it comes across very well. And he has done a great job in it.
Thank you.
Sunny Paji, on your left here, Simran Singh from the first post. यहाँ पे. जी. So first of all, congratulations to the team for the fantastic trailer. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि जब भी आपकी एक फिल्म आती है सर, in the age of digital and VFX loaded films, आपकी जब भी फिल्म आती है सर, जो आपका जो एक्शन होता है, it's very raw, rustic and it's very practical, based on practical effects. So is this your preference? मतलब जब आप एक्शन को देखते हैं, is this your definitions कि मतलब जितना हो सके it should be raw, real, and it should be like it should not be filled with special effects. What do you want to say about it?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, cinema, everything, whatever we do should be believable. Otherwise, it doesn't. I mean, one doesn't enjoy it. And action, I always have. I mean, ever since I've been doing films, I used to do everything myself. So. उस वक्त सब चीज़ें रॉ ही होती थी and it's just after I don't know when everything started changing, but definitely I mean any emotion or whatever it is, and action is an emotion, so the more believable I mean, we do go a little larger than life, but we should believe that it is possible.
Hello, Sunny sir. This is Hasti from Cineblitz. Over here, straight. Straight, yeah. Yeah. So I wanted to ask that, you know, as the film is, we saw the trailer, it's fantastic, as everyone is liking it. But as it's based on the terrorism part and that's being showed, there are many films and series nowadays, you know, coming out on such topics. So, you know, how different is it for this film, which you felt, you know, this is the USP for, you know, like something really different in this one?
See, what I liked about the thing is that, I mean, just imagine if, you know, actually the explosions come into the city and we are not aware of it, you know, what a goof up it is. So that's what something excited me, and I said, and how they're going to go through it, and that's what Behzad and the writers, everybody brought across, and that was very exciting, the way they bring things on the screen, and it is not pinpointing anything, it is just pinpointing, I think the main issue of anything in life, I think, is nothing but money. So that excited me. It was not just simply blaming things, but the reason is very definite. And I think we all, everything आजकल जो भी हो रहा है सब पैसा 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 ही हो रहा है.